Hi, we're gonna open a Enchanted Tales of Beauty and the Beast gift I got from Japan, or chocolate box. So yeah, got this from Japan, Disneyland Tokyo or Disneyland Sea. I'm not sure. I think it could be on both of them. Oh, this is at the Beauty and Beast play area, where his castle is. That you can see that at Disneyland. I think, yeah, it was Disneyland. So here's the box. It's pretty cool. So it's like embedded, as you can see. Let's see, tale as old as time, the song as old as rhyme, Beauty and the Beast. Disneyland Tokyo, oh, there it is. Disneyland Tokyo. They're all bubbled up. So yeah, here's the case itself. So it was around 1,500 yen, so $10 and $15 almost. So yeah, let's see. Here's the ingredient. We need a translator on there. Use a Google Translator or something. Beauty and the Beast. Rights reserved. Music by Disney. So yeah, let's open it up. And here's the inside. This is not beveled. So yeah, there's that one. This is BB CLF P, got a P, and S. So here it is. Here's the candy that came with it. And here's the box. Wonder if it opens on both sides. Does not look like it. Nope. So just one side. So yeah, here's a flower, books, chandelier. Here's the other side. All the dancing stuff, the castle. Yeah. Oof. It's pretty cool. One of the few souvenirs you could get from Disneyland. I do recommend going to Disneyland because it is cheaper than in America, but I'm not sure about other countries. Plus, the trade is pretty good right now because since the Japanese currency is so low. This is Pots, Bell, Beast, Bell, Beast, Pots, Bell, Beast, Pot. This is Pots, Bell, and Beast. And then the last one is Bell. So let's open it up. So here's what it looks like. Go back. Disneyland. Tokyo Disneyland. It is. Ooh! Here's what it is. A flower. The back looks like a Rice Krispie treat. Yeah, it's Rice Krispie treat. Milk chocolatey and Rice Krispie, light hint of Rice Krispie treat on the bottom. This one's white chocolate, and I don't know if it's Rice Krispie or not. On the bottom, it is a little. That's pretty good. Chocolate's good too. It's a light hint of sugar, not too much sugar. That one's good too. Let's open. What do we open? Let's open a bell. Like and subscribe if you can. Ooh, strawberry. It's the flower too. There it is. That's cool. Yeah, I would recommend this. If you can, you purchase this at Disneyland Tokyo. And thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. See you guys.